Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying hardware and permissions so nothing interrupts the stream. Install the Live 360 app, sign in, and grant camera, microphone, and location access. Once done, power the camera to at least 50% and connect it to your phone over Wi-Fi or USB. Enable your hotspot if you're on the move. Make sure to calibrate orientation and pick resolution and frame rate, 4K for detail, 1080p for reliability, so your feed starts clean and stable. Now you configure the streaming pipeline so what you capture becomes a smooth, shareable broadcast. Choose live mode, single camera for quick streams, stitched 360 for immersive scenes, or multiple feeds for production, always preview. Then match bitrate and keyframe interval to your measured upload speed and prefer hardware encoding to reduce latency. Once configured, enable stabilization and auto-stitch, set audio mixing levels, and add overlays or destination presets so transitions and branding are ready at go live. You're at the finish line. Start the stream and actively monitor health metrics like bitrate, latency, dropped frames, and CPU/GPU load so you can react fast. Make sure to record a local backup simultaneously in case of platform issues. This preserves content. If viewers report buffering, use adaptive bitrate or step down resolution and reduce overlays. And if the feed drops entirely, switch to your phone hotspot, restart the encoder, or toggle hardware encoding. One of these quick moves typically restores the live session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.